Question 12. The heights of pupils in classes 10A and 10B were measured. This cumulative frequency graph summarises the heights of pupils in class 10A. And you'll notice I've drawn those lines on already because we're going to need those in a moment. Use the graph to complete this table. We need to find the median and the interquartile range from this cumulative frequency graph. Now, we can see that the data only goes up to 30, so there are 30 pieces of data involved. So if there are 30 pieces of data involved, then halfway between those pieces of data is going to be the 15th, which is where the median is going to lie. We also need to find the lower quartile and the upper quartile to allow us to find the interquartile range. Now, the lower quartile is just going to be a quarter of the way through the data. So 30 divided by 4, which will be 7.5, which is where the lower quartile lies. To find the upper quartile, either you can find the lower quartile and times it by 3, or add the median and the lower quartile together. If you do that, you end up with 22.5, which is our upper quartile. Let's try and squeeze it all on one page. Okay, so the median we've drawn on this line here. So we've drawn a line that goes all the way to our cumulative frequency graph so that we can read off the values as we go down. So the median height, reading it off the graph, is 173. Now, the interquartile range is found by doing the upper quartile take away the lower quartile. Now, the upper quartile value here, if we go across to our cumulative frequency graph and go down, is 181. The lower quartile, if we go across, is about 164. So 181 take away 164 gives us an interquartile range of 17. Part B. Use the information in the table to write one comment comparing the heights of pupils in classes 10A and 10B. Now, this doesn't have to be anything special, this comment. You can say something as simple as, on average, 10A is taller than 10B because it's got a higher median. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, class 10A is taller on average.